Hi guys, today we will talk about how to make a Trello board for YouTube automation. So let's get started. As you can see, I am already on the homepage of my Trello and you will see multiple templates which are already created by Trello. I can also use these templates, and I can also create my own templates. Scroll down here, you can see your workspace, and here I can create a board. So in order to create a new board, tap on it and create your board. Here, the first thing is you have to enter the board type. As you know, it is for my YouTube automation. So that's why I write, after writing the title, this one is the background. So from here, select which suits you the most. Here is the visibility of my board. Click on it and set the visibility. As you know, it's my workspace for YouTube automation, so I will set it on workspace. All the members of YouTube videos workspace can see and edit this one, so I will click on it. Now tap on this option. You can also start it with a new template, but I will tap on the option Create. As you can see, my YouTube automation board has been created. Now here you can see 3 lists: to do, doing, and done. To do means, here I will enter those titles which I need to create, and doing means I will enter the titles which are in editing section, and when those will be completed, I will move to the done. I can also add another list by clicking on it, and also I can rename it by clicking on it. And here I need to enter the new name, but for now I will let it be as it is. One more interesting thing here you can do is you can also send invitation to anyone by clicking on the option Share. And here you have to enter the email address of the person to which you want to send an invitation. Just for example, I'll write, now here you can see, and click on it and tap on the option Share. Now this person will receive an invitation, and once he will accept it, he will be in my board. Unless he will accept, he won't be able to join. Another way of sharing this is click on the option to create link, and now the link has been created. Now you can share it to WhatsApp or to any other platform. In order to change the permission, click on it, and you can change the permission. So now the board has been created, now use it, for you YouTube purposes, and that's it.